Alright, time for a Porsche 911 ride along.
Oh, God.
Okay. So this is a 2000 what? 2018 Porsche 911?
Yep.
Is this turbo?
Yep, it's a turbo.
Oh.
So this one has the Sport Chrono package. Basically what this is it enables you to switch your modes. So you go Sport Plus. Gives it, sits at a higher RPM. Your suspension gets a little bit more stiff, and so does your steering.
So this is more for a race mode,
Yeah.
basically.
This button right here, basically when you're on the fly, push it, and it recharges your turbos. So you have 20 seconds to utilize the extra force, the extra power. And I'll show you right now.
This thing is badass.
Yeah.
I never in my life would have thought I would have ridden in a Porsche 911. I can cross that off my list. For sure.
Ready?
Ready.
Damn.
That gets up there.
Yeah.
That gets up there. That's a curious question. How many miles per gallon does this car get?
About 18.
About 18.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's 18 on the highway, maybe about 24. So it's not bad
Considering the engine it has on it, the beast. Oh, this car is amazing. Sits you in a chair.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is for sure. I need to get one of these.
I know, dude. Once I started working here, I was like, okay, new goal.
I must definitely set one of my goals to be one of those. One of these. This is amazing. I will for sure leave a 5-star. Hopefully something bigger on your review list.
That'd be sweet, man.
And I'm gonna shout you out on my Instagram, everything. For sure.
If you post it.
Oh yeah. So we are at Porsche El Paso on the west side. If you ever want to get a Porsche, this is the guy to talk to right here. Your name is Roman, right? Roman. This is Roman. This is the guy to talk to right here. If you ever want a Porsche for your Porsche needs, amazing customer experience. He treated me like I was family here. I'm speechless. You know, I never would have thought a car dealership, you know, would treat me this well. And I have nothing but good words for them. So
Appreciate it.
if you ever want a Porsche, if you ever want anything, Roman is the guy to talk to here at Porsche El Paso. Bro, this is like... What the fuck just happened?
I can't even talk. Like, I'm speechless.
Back to my shitty truck.